It's that time of the year. Most application deadlines are over, and if you missed them, don't worry. Whether you didn't know about the process, missed the deadlines, or faced rejections, there's still hope. Many students don't realize that US college applications start a year in advance. If you're applying for fall 2025, you should have ideally started last year. But if you haven't, some universities offer rolling deadlines, meaning they accept applications throughout the year until all spots are filled. Now, rolling deadlines might sound less competitive, but many top universities offer them while maintaining strong academic programs. These colleges provide a great return on investment, making them excellent choices for students looking for quality education, scholarships, and flexibility. Some of the best options available for fall 2025 include Arizona State University and the University of Arizona. ASU has a rolling deadline until July 27th, 2025, with an acceptance rate of 90%, making it a popular choice among international students. The University of Arizona, on the other hand, has a deadline of May 1st, 2025, with an acceptance rate of 85%. Both universities are known for their engineering, computer science, and biomedical programs. The tuition fees range from $30,000 to $40,000 per year, but both institutions offer generous scholarships that can significantly reduce costs. Another great option is Knox College, which, although not rolling, has a regular decision deadline of April 1st, 2025, giving you more time to apply compared to other universities that close their applications in January. Knox College is known for its strong programs in biology, computer science, and engineering, with an acceptance rate of 75%. However, its tuition is on the higher side at around $57,000 per year, but many students receive substantial scholarships, sometimes cutting costs by half. The University of Iowa is another excellent choice with a rolling deadline until May 1st, 2025. It is well known for majors in writing, healthcare, and engineering, and has an acceptance rate of 84%. The tuition fee ranges from $30,000 to $35,000 per year, which is competitive, and the university also offers merit scholarships that further lower costs. If you're considering applying, make sure to submit your application before the scholarship priority deadline of March 1st, 2025 to be considered for full financial aid. One of the most underrated yet affordable universities with rolling deadlines is the University of Southern Mississippi. It has a priority deadline of June 26th, 2025, but applications are accepted year-round. The university offers specialized majors in marine science and polymer science, making it an attractive option for students looking for something beyond traditional engineering fields. The best part is its acceptance rate of 90%, making admission highly accessible. The base tuition is around $10,000 to $11,000 per year, one of the most affordable rates among US universities. With scholarships, this cost can be further reduced, and even including living expenses, the total cost of attendance can range from just $20,000 to $30,000 per year, making it a fantastic option for students looking for a high quality yet budget-friendly education. If you're applying now, make sure to check each university's scholarship deadlines to maximize your financial aid. Rolling deadlines give you another chance to secure a place at a great university, so don't hesitate to apply. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. Also, let me know why you're applying to rolling deadline universities, missed deadlines, rejections, or just looking for more options. Best of luck with your applications.